By the way, this is Claire.
Hi.
And she's kindly agreed to let us film reverse baypark on her. We've done one a couple of days ago, and it's the first time we've done one with me. And it was pretty good actually, wasn't it? I mean, we have to say that she's done one in the past, but it was a while back.
Yeah.
When we're going to be honest about it, aren't we? But it surprised me what you could remember. So let me just find your sheet. So the first objective is we're going to drive to the car park and do the reverse baypark. When we're there, we'll pull up, have a quick chat about it, and see how we get on.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Take your time. Bit tricky here. You've got a curb and then the car opposite. That's it. Just keep that clutch nice and low when you go slow. We'll do a left out of here, please, Claire. So, are you off all day today, by the way?
I am.
Nice. Got a nice day for it.
Beautiful day off.
It keeps trying to go with dead cloudy and then the sun comes out.
Oh, let's hope it stays sunny.
So at the junction ahead of us, we'll do a left turn, please. What time you working till last night?
I got home about 9:30.
No rest for the wicked, is there?
Yeah.
And then a left at the end of the road. Whoosh. That's caution, that's too much. Left at the end. You're getting back then, weren't you? A break. So at the lights we'll go left.
Oh yeah, down by the
Yeah,
traffic.
we'll go round that way. And it gives you opportunity to get warmed up, doesn't it? Because you know it's like the first 5 or 10 minutes in the car. It's always going to feel a little bit strange. So left at the traffic lights. So what have you got planned today? Anything nice?
Sleep.
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 So left here. So for people who don't know you, you work where?
Cafe Nero.
Cafe Neuro in the centre, isn't it?
Yeah.
Milton Keynes. We're going to go right at the traffic lights. So that's a little plug for your cafe there, isn't it?
Yeah. Come in, get free coffee.
Don't say that to blow up, you know.
Oh, I fully would give them a free coffee.
Can you imagine doing that, saying that on the video, and all of a sudden there's a big queue outside at Albany Town?
I'd be like, oh god.
It'd be funny, wouldn't it?
I'd walk out. I'd be like, I hope it's the day that I'm not working. So if it happens, it's not my fault.
That's it. Just take your time. Keep an eye on the lights. That's it.
Don't know what happened now.
Just to jump off the clutch a bit, and that's what happened. So we're going right at the lights.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on them, and just take your time. That's better, isn't it?
That is better.
Chatting to me then, you see.
Oh, you distracted me, see?
Yeah. But the thing is, when you're driving after you pass your test, your friend's going to chat to you. They're not
Oh, I would get so confused.
You're not going to say to your friend in the car, "Shut up while I drive to work."
Like, don't talk to me.
Yeah. So it's kind of preparing you for the inevitable, isn't it? That when you pass, you're going to have passengers in the car and they're going to chat to you. So we've got a little on the right. We're going to do a right into that car park there, and we'll drive to the far end again if we can.
Oh, where we did last time.
Yeah. There's a few vans there, but we can go past them. And then just follow it down and then right towards the end. When we get level with them two white vans, we can just go past and give them a bit of space and stop. Nice braking, excellent. So, before we continue with the manoeuvre, do you remember what you're going to do?
Put it in reverse.
Yeah.
Look around.
Yeah. Shoulder checks.
Look at the white dotty thing.
Yeah, because that's your mark, isn't it? And how many bays would it be down when you turn? 2 or 3?
3.
3, yeah.
3.
3.
3, yeah, 3.
And because there's some white vans with workmen in them, you just got to watch out for them. They could be walking out. We could have moved the vans. So what do you want to do? Do you want to park before the vans or after the vans?
Move down a little bit and park before.
That's fine then, yeah.
Because otherwise I'll probably hit the van.
You're not going to hit the van.
They're going to be like, oh my god, you hit my van.
The thing is, when we start doing this a bit more regular, we're going to do it between cars to get used to the idea that you're going to have to do that after you pass your test. And plus also in the test centre, there's a car park there, isn't there? So you have to probably reverse between cars then.
Oh god, I'm going to fail.
Fine, you'll be fine. Anyway, come on, carry on. You're not going to fail, you'll be fine. So take your time, good observations, remember.
Yeah, my handbrake's already down.
And when it gets level, you'll mark, you can do your turn, can't you?
Yeah, I can.
That's it. See, I did. That's it, good observations. It's nice slow speed. How's it looking? Are we okay in the bay? Are we alright next to that van?
Oh, I didn't even realise we were going next to the van.
That's why you look round, isn't it? So it's looking good on this side. Looking like straight in.
Straighten up my legs if I just...
Check behind you more. That's it, because of the white van, guys can walk behind the van, can't they? Happy with that?
I'm happy.
Yeah? Yeah?
I'm happy.
Yeah?
Great.
Pretty good.
Great, guys.
Just remember, when you're coming in, if it's a van there or a car, just watch behind it, because they might...
It did pretty well. If that was my mum, she would have parked well close to that.
Do you want to try it between the cars there?
Was that one there?
Yeah, between the white one and the silver one. So we're going to go down there and drive past and reverse in.
Right, let's do it.
You might as well try. Just remember, just when you come out, because it's blocking your view, you just got to come out slowly. Because the more you can get used to parking next to cars or in between cars, the less it'll be a bit of an issue. It'll be like a normal feeling. So we're just going to drive round past that silver car, past the white one, and reverse between the two. So remember, when you get down there, give yourself a little bit of space. There's going to be a few more cars down there, so you're just going to watch out for people coming around the corner. But that's what it's like in car parks.
Got to get used to it, ain't you?
Yeah. So that's the space you want to get in, so count 3 up. There's 1 line, 2 lines, and there's your 3rd line there. So if you drive just past that, so you're happy with it.
Okay.
And then do your observations.
If I crash your car, it's not my fault.
Now, the thing is, if you go slow enough and look round, you'll spot it going wrong anyway, and you'll be able to stop and correct it.
Like I did next to the van.
Yeah.
See if I can do this, guys.
Hang on. Look, stop there. Stop. That's where you want to go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I was going to have to turn on this one. Oh, right.
It's okay, you forgot then. Have a look round and just drive forward again and start again. This is why you're practicing.
It's too early for this.
It is, yeah.
So that's the 3rd one?
That's the 3rd line there.
Oh, right.
You,
Got it.
you're counting 3 down, aren't you? It's like that's your 3rd line there.
I was counting 3 down. Don't let me run you over.
Stop again. Stop. 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 1, 2, 3. That's your third line there. Past it again.
So confused.
Right. That's what you want to go in, yeah?
Yeah.
It says free bays to get in. There's 1 bay, and there's 2 bays, there's 3 bays. So you need to go past that one there again.
So what one do I turn at?
That one there.
I'm so confused.
Alright. Just pull forward. Look round, pull forward.
I'm so confused.
You're doing it alright on that one there. Just bring yourself forward more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right now, I'm brake neutral. Just have a quick look. That's where you want to go in that gap.
Yeah.
And you're going to count 3 bays forward.
Oh, I thought you were on about the lines.
Oh, 3 lines, the same thing. 1, 2, 3.
So I want to turn at that one?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that crash into the white car though?
No. There's 1 line. 2, 3. You're fine.
So I want to turn at that line?
Yeah. This is why you learn it. Why you're practicing it. It's always 3 bays. Or 3 lines. So that
so when the marker goes to that one, I want to turn at that one?
Yeah, when it gets level, you turn. So it's going to be 1 line, 2 line, and that 3rd line is going to be on your left side when you straighten up. Or you can count it in 3 bays. So you got 1 empty bay, you got the white car 2nd bay, and the 3rd bay is yours.
Okay, that makes more sense then.
Yeah.
I'm just being blonde.
No, it's fine. It's just early mornings.
Just having a blonde.
So when it's level, that's when you're turning.
Okay, I'm just having a blonde moment. There we go. God, I don't want to crash into the car.
Well, if you look over your shoulder there, you can see it there, can't you? And it looks like it's pretty good to me. And it's a nice speed. And whatever manoeuvre you're going to do, if you go slowly and look round, then you can spot things happening, and you can see if you're going in. Now it's looking pretty good already. So it's all right on this left side, isn't it? That's it. You check your right one every now and then. Just hold that clutch steady. Don't jump up and down so much, and it'll just slowly move. That's better. Quick look over your shoulders again. And what you're looking for is people opening the doors.
Oh God, yeah.
And so it's getting straight. That's what you're going to do. That's it. And then just have a look behind you. Because what you got to remember now is the fence, isn't you? Okay.
Oh, I did it.
Got there?
Well done to me.
Well done. There you go. So, how many lines is it?
3.
3. How many bays is it?
3.
We got there, didn't we, in the end?
I had a blonde moment, guys.
So, if you like to see more videos of Claire doing things while she's learning, then just let us know in the comment below.
I'll be back, guys. I'll be back.